Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Alyssa. I am back with another recipe video for you. And today we are making one of your favorite types of recipes, and that is granola. You guys love when I share my granola recipes, and I came out with a brand new recipe and I am super excited about it because it is super easy to make, but it is also so good. So we are gonna be making a vanilla almond crunch granola. It's crunchy, like the title says, but it also is perfectly sweet and it has like a good amount of flavor from vanilla and almond, and it's also vegan and gluten-free. So I'm really excited to show you how to make it today. If you do want to follow along with the recipe, you can find that up on the blog. I've linked it down in the description box, and that post, you guys ask me all the time where you can find the exact measurements for my recipes. They're always on the blog, and I always link them down in the description box. So everything you need to make this recipe, measurements, ingredients, instructions, etc., is in that post. So you can find that down below. And before we dive in, I always also like to encourage you to join our community here on YouTube. If you are not yet already subscribed to the Simply Quinoa YouTube channel, you can tap the red button that is right below this video and it says subscribe. Just tap that button and that will subscribe you. Otherwise, let's go ahead and get into today's recipe. All right, so for this recipe, we're gonna start with the liquid ingredients, and we have maple syrup as well as some almond butter or whatever nut or seed butter you would like, as well as some coconut oil, vanilla extract, and almond extract. And you are going to melt these together. Since it is warm while I'm filming this, I can actually just stir it all together and it will combine. But if it's not, you might want to put it in a saucepan to heat it up or pop it in the microwave. You just basically want everything to become mixed and emulsified and smooth. Once it is smooth, you can just set it aside and we'll move on to the dry ingredients. So the dry ingredients for this granola are rolled oats. We're also gonna add in some sliced almonds as well as some Rice Krispie cereal. You can then just pour the wet ingredients directly over this mixture and basically just stir it all together until it is combined. You really want to make sure that all of the wet ingredients mix together with and kind of cover the oats as much as possible, so that you get not only crunch, but you get flavor throughout the whole batch of granola. Once everything is mixed together, we are going to transfer this onto a parchment-lined baking sheet, and I'll show you why in just a second. And then we're gonna cook this low and slow. It cooks at 325 for about 30 to 40 minutes, and you wanna make sure that you stir it every 10-ish minutes to avoid browning and to make sure you have even cooking. Once it is nice and crispy and cool, you're gonna let it cool completely. We are going to put it in our storage container. So this is where the parchment paper really comes into play, because you can actually just lift the granola right off of the tray using the parchment paper, and then use the parchment paper as kind of like a funnel to funnel it into your container. And that's pretty much it. You can just enjoy your granola however which way you like. I am going to show you my favorite way for this, which is a yogurt and granola parfait. So we're gonna do a layer of yogurt, whatever kind of yogurt you like. I am using Kalina vanilla yogurt, I think, in this one. And then we're gonna do a layer of our crunchy vanilla almond granola, then some fresh berries on top, and then you can finish it off with maybe some almond butter or a little bit of sliced almonds, which is what I did, and dig in. That's pretty much it. You guys know granola is like one of the most versatile things. Great snack, great breakfast, and this one is super easy and super delicious. So I hope you like it as much as you have liked the other ones, and I look forward to seeing your creations. And there you have it, my friends. I hope you enjoyed today's delicious granola recipe. I know you guys love granola. I have a bunch of recipes already on the channel. I will share some of my other flavor combinations for you. If you have any questions about this recipe, whether it is substitution questions or anything like that, drop that down in the comment and I will be sure to get back to you. I also would love for you to rate this recipe on the blog post if you do end up making it. There are like little star things that you can click. So if you want to just give it a star rating, that really helps us just surface our recipes kind of on Google and Pinterest, and it just helps people know that it's delicious, because I know it is. So I hope you enjoy it. I hope you try it. It is seriously so good, and it will last you at least a couple weeks in the cupboard, and it goes well with everything from just like traditional almond milk. I put it on top of my smoothie bowls. I have it with fruit. You just can't go wrong with granola. It's just one of those things that you should always have on hand. So I hope you guys give it a try. If you did enjoy this recipe, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you are not yet part of our community here on YouTube, there is a red button that is right below this video that says subscribe. All you have to do is click that button and that will subscribe you. There's also a little bell next to that button, so if you like videos like this and you want to make sure that you don't miss any of our future videos, you can click that button and that will turn on your notifications and you'll just get a notification whenever we share a new video. So thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate you taking the time out of your day to be here, and you guys are awesome. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye!